In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email address on Wise. If you've recently switched inboxes or just want to tidy up your account details, updating your email on Wise is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through the process, explain what you'll see on the screen, and share a few helpful tips to keep everything smooth and secure. First, head to your Wise account and look to the top right corner of the page. Click your name. This opens your account menu where all your key profile and settings options live. If you're on a smaller screen, you might see an icon for your profile instead of your full name. It's the same place you access your account details. Next, choose Personal Details. This section is where Wise stores your core profile information, like your name, address, and contact details. It's different from security or notification settings, so make sure you're in Personal Details specifically. Once you're there, you'll see your current email address listed. Now, click your email address to change it. A field will appear so you can enter your new email. Type it carefully and double-check for typos. Small mistakes like missing a dot or swapping letters can prevent you from receiving important messages. When you're confident it's correct, save your changes. That's it. The update takes effect right away on your profile. And from this point forward, Wise will use your new email for account communications and sign-in recovery. After you've saved, you may need to verify the new address. Wise typically sends a confirmation to the email you just entered. Open your inbox, look for the message from Wise, and follow the instructions inside to confirm. This step helps protect your account and ensures the address is really yours. If you don't see the email after a few minutes, check your spam or junk folder and make sure your email filters aren't blocking automated messages. Also, verify you entered the address exactly as intended. For security, never share any verification codes or links with anyone. To recap the flow, click your name at the top right, go to Personal Details, click your email address, enter the new one, and save. Then, keep an eye on your inbox to complete verification if prompted. With that, your Wise email is updated and you're all set. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped make the process clear and stress-free.